Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking a look at this video. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. I sell vehicles from time to time, and today we have a super special Model A Ford pickup truck. Special to me. This is my dad's pickup truck. First of all, this thing is located in New Bern, North Carolina. I am home visiting my dad for his birthday, and he has decided to sell the pickup truck, and so I'm going to do a video and post it up on YouTube. So first things first, videos or pictures do not do this truck any justice whatsoever. It's a 1930 Model A pickup truck. What was started with was probably one of the prettiest cabs you've ever seen. It has been chopped 2 inches. I believe the chop on it is flawless looking and is flawlessly executed. You won't find a chop done on any car nicer than the one you'll find on this pickup truck. It sits on top of a brand new TCI chassis. Okay, got an 8-inch Ford 325 open rear end in it. It's got a 4-inch dropped axle in the front, 4-bar setup, traditional drum brakes all the way around. It's a nice truck, and it sits on a great foundation. It's got a rebuilt turbo 350 automatic with a Lokar shifter. I think it's got a Saturday Night Special B&M converter in it, like a 2000 converter. It's a brand spanking new GM crate engine, 350. Just like what they call their good wrench engine. At that point, it was taken down. The heads were brought to the machine shop. Screw-in studs, guide plates, comp cam, cam kit was put in it. That's all new valve springs, rocker arms, retainers, the whole shooting match. It's just a small little cam 262 high energy cam kit, I think, that was put in it. It's got a 4-barrel intake with a Demon carburetor on it. Got 32 commercial headlights, 32 grill. Got a Walker, brand new Walker radiator in it. One thing I want to say about this thing, their corners cut on this car. There is no nothing that's not top shelf that was built on it. It was not built with cheap parts. You know, Walker radio, Lebarron Bonnie seat in it. Got brand new, that's a brand new bed on it with the oak floor. The gas tank is underneath the bed. My dad was adamant about not taking up any extra bed space, so he had a gas tank custom made for underneath the bed that fits. It's got either wheel Ventique, I cannot remember, or Wheel Smith 15-inch wheels on it, and those are Coker dirt track tires on it. You know, those aren't cheap. I think them back tires $625 a piece. I think one of the coolest things about it is the exhaust out the side. Now, if you're looking for something that is quiet and timid, this is not it. This car is loud and nasty and in your face, and when you pull in the Cars and Coffee with it, everybody is going to snap their head and look at it, because you're not going to sneak up on anybody. But the custom exhaust, it's been all TIG welded. I'll try to get a picture of it. 2.5 inch, and all it's got is baffles on the inside of it. So it is not an open exhaust, but it's baffled on the inside, but it is loud. Okay, and it's been all ceramic coated. I'll show you the engine in a bit. It's got an aluminum windshield frame, like a brushed aluminum. Everything's been cut down. Obviously, it's all brand new glass. Top's been filled, louvered visor up here. It's got all new regulators inside the doors. Obviously, all new glass. It all works. Okay, got a brand spanking new Lebarron Bonnie seat in it. They've gone out of business, but that is a sweet traditional seat. It's beautiful on the inside. Obviously, all the wood has been redone. Garnish moldings are present. Does not have carpet in it. It's just kind of got a fully finished out floor. I guess if there's one thing that you want to do to the inside of it to finish it out, is you could put a carpet kit in, you know, or not a carpet kit, but have carpet made for it and a firewall cover or whatnot. Yeah, as you can see from the back, it's got a Bitchin firewall in it and a Bitchin floor in it. It's got Lokar shifter and a Mercy brake. It's got a Limeworks steering column and a Sprint car steering wheel. It's got a brand new wiring harness up underneath the dash. I think it's a 21 circuit. You've got an engine turned insert in a 32 dash with dolphin gauges. The battery is mounted up under here. You can see the battery box right there with a cutoff switch right there. Okay. 32 grill shell. Got a drop headlight bar, chrome shocks. It's got a Rootlieb hood on it. This is a sweet car. Like I said, to see this thing in person is much more impressive than any pictures or video that I'm going to do of it. Okay, so what I'm going to try to do here, new latches, of course. I'm going to try to undo this thing and just bear with me here. Prop it. Okay. Like I said, there's the 350 Demon carburetor, aluminum intake, Bitchin firewall. The outside of the truck is painted a Toyota color called Lunar Green, I believe. Walker radiator, stock Chevy fan, one wire alternator. Runs great. I will say that the truck is brand new. Okay, so we really don't have a lot of miles on it. Any miles, to be honest about it. So it's really not been driven and roadworthy. Yes, we drive it around the neighborhood and stuff like that, but we have not taken it on a trip yet. Okay, but all things are in place. If I have the time, I may drive it some today. But it is a sweet truck. Okay, let me get around this side. I'm gonna try to fire this thing up while I get in the truck. I'm not the smallest man you've ever seen before, so I'm gonna tell you something right now. She's tight up in here. Blinkers, Limeworks column, the ignition switch and headlight switch. This is the programmer. I don't think the speedometer has been programmed yet, but the headlight switch, if you can see it, headlight switch and ignition switch is up underneath the dash hidden. So I'm gonna make sure this thing is in. Now, like I said, she's not quiet. like I said, she is loud and nasty and in your face, and I absolutely love this truck. If I didn't have too many irons in the fire myself, I'd love to keep it. Anyway, like I said, everything functions on it just fine. Lights, blinkers, all of it, horn. She's ready to roll. She just needs somebody in the seat that's gonna love her. Been a lot of money spent and a lot of attention to detail. I don't think you're gonna find one nicer for the money. Thank you so much for looking. Take care.